Okay, now we will do a training for how to fill out your fertilizers. Remember, agronomic inputs are the fertilizers. Fertilizers uses log, fertilizer inventory log, fertilizer, your list of fertilizers, the different varieties that you have, and the list of applicators. So here you can find all your different, the list of all your fertilizers. If you provide me this list, you will find here all your chemicals. How this works, you find, you click on the fertilizer, and you will see all the information. You will see the product name, the rate, the application method, the fertilizer brand name, active ingredients, and any notes. And you can have an image as well here. You can edit this list clicking on add or edit fertilizer. So if you can want to change the rate, or you can want to add other fertilizer, you can do that here. You can edit, you check a start table, and you can select the fertilizers that you want to edit, and then you can go ahead and edit information. What you can do too, you can add a new fertilizer here. You just click on add, and you will start filling out all the information for your new fertilizer. This is all the information that you need to fill out, and you can take a picture of the label as well. So you will have that in your records. So it's a really good thing to do that, to take a picture of your label. Okay, so let's start with adding a fertilizer, a usage log fertilizer, to start working into that. Let me just delete this one. Let's create a new. I want to show you since the beginning. So create new. First thing, you will click on add row. Then here, again, you can change date, time, applicator name. Here, if you just hire a new employee and you don't have that person name here, you can do a really easy thing. You can add your or edit your applicator. So you can go here, go add applicator, start table, and put their name. You can take a picture and then finish and upload. Remember, you need to check in, click on refresh list, and then you can go ahead and choose your new applicator, Juan Valdez. Location, description of treatment site. In this case, going to be the field or the block that you're going to apply your fertilizer. Treatment area, the amount of fertilizer, and the product. Wonderful thing, if you already provide me all your chemicals, you will find all your information here. So you don't need to type again the fertilizer brand name, the crop. Well, you will need to just select the variety that you have in that field or block. The rate is here. You can change this as well. All this information can be edited. Application method, active ingredients, and the notes. Here you can have information why you are doing this. So for a new employee, this is wonderful because they already have all the information, and even for you, because it's so easy. You can fill out your record in seconds, and then if you need to add the same moment several fertilizers, you will click into add, and again you will check the applicator name, Juan Valdez, where are you adding that fertilizer, the amount that you're applying, the product. That's all that you need to do, and then back to list, and if you have more, of course you will click on add and then finish and upload. That's everything that you need to do for your fertilizer usage log. Inventory log, same thing here. Add road, you will put the information about the product name, manufacturer, quantity, and if it's liquid or solid, any notes that you want, and you can continue adding more inventory here, and then back to list and finish, upload. Let's see how our record looks like for a fertilizer. Here we have our fertilizers. Okay, click into that. And here we have all our information for the fertilizer. We have fertilizer brand name here and active ingredients. We don't have here information about fertilizer brand name, and this is because we sometimes what happen is this is a fertilizer that you require to a company, a manufacturer, to provide it, but that's something that can happen with the fertilizers. You don't have all that information right away, but you remember that you can always go and edit that information so you can have all your record filled out. Okay, you have here, so let's think about this. If you're adding you're sending reports, you're sending users log records, but at the same time what you would like to have is a report with all the information that you apply for the entire season, or the entire before 3 months before the season, or maybe weekly. So it's important that you're able to customize your reports with all your applications, so you are able to do that here in record keeping. You can do that for the inventory and for the usage report as well. So we will click here and you will click on add report, and then you can select here all the information that you add. You will find all your records by week, so the week number, the date, the time, and the product name. So let's make a report. For adding more lines, so more fertilizers that you apply other days, you just need to click on add another report and select which one you need to add. Add another report and select which one, and like that with all of them. And back to list. Okay, back to list. Perfect, I have already all the information that I need, and I will click on finish report and upload. So in that case, I will have a report with all the applications that I have for a certain period, so you can customize your report as you want it. It can be weekly, it can be monthly, it can be for the entire year. Same thing that you can do is for your inventory report. So every time that you send a new inventory, you can then recreate, customize a report as you want it. So pretty much that's That's everything for fertilizer. We already covered how to fill out a record for usage log, inventory log, how to add or edit a fertilizer, list of applicators. Here you can add or edit any applicator, and you can do the same thing for the varieties. Here is all your list of the varieties, and you can here add information. You can add information about your field and block and the type. That means if it's conventional or organic, and you can even take a picture of your fruit if you want to, if that variety. So let's make an example on this. Let's edit a fruit variety. So we select abundance. We will say that I have abundance on field 1, and the block is 1, and the type is conventional. I can take a picture and then finish and upload. And here we have the information that we need. So abundance, that's the variety name, the block, the field, and conventional. So you can customize all these for every variety under every field. So that will help you to separate all your varieties by field. Okay, let's check our fertilizers usage report that we have here on file. Let's click into that one. And here we have our report. We have all the applications that we select, the applicator names, locations, product, fertilizer brand name and active ingredients, total amount of fertilizers, application methods, notes. So we have everything that we need, and time and date that we create this report as well. Okay, thank you.